Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a Gantt chart using VBA Excel with a simple VBA and understandable VBA code. So let's get started. So first, to create the Gantt chart, what we are going to do is we are going to prepare the data in this format, which has task, start date, and the task that has to be completed, the days to complete, and that has to be completed from the start date. So if I start my task on 21st of Jan, then from 21st my task has to be completed within 13 days. That's the period. In this period I have to complete this task one. And over here what we are going to do is we are going to take the minimum date of our start dates over here, as you see over here from this range. So this will help you to align your Gantt chart more accurately and more presentable. So what I did is I have taken the minimum of this range, which is the smallest date. But remember, if you have the blanks then and errors, then it will give you a different number, or it will give you error in this formula. So please keep that in mind. Once you have taken the minimum of this, I have converted this into the number format. After doing this, you are ready to write your Gantt chart code in VB Excel. So let's see the example first, how our Gantt chart will look after writing a few lines of code. So as you can see that this is our Gantt chart and this is how our output is going to be after writing and executing our VBA chart. But remember, in the data table you will be seeing the reverse order because we have reversed this axis, so there is no alternative to fix it. So except this, our Gantt chart will be work as expected. Now what we are going to do is, let's say we are going to change this to 11. So this is already 11, so we are going to change this to somewhere around 16 or 17 days. So as I hit enter, my this is my task 3, so this will change according my data. See, it got changed. So let's get started and let's dive into our VBA editor to see what all codes has to be written to create such type of amazing chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our entire VBA code with one of the simplest way to create the Gantt chart using this code. So let's see what all steps we have to write and execute to create this amazing Gantt chart using VBA Excel. So first what we are going to do is we are going to select a range inside our data. So this is one of the cells which you can select inside our data. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type active sheet.shapes dot add chart 2, and inside it this is the specific chart number for which we are going to create, which is the Excel 3D bar stack chart. So this is the chart number. Each and every chart has its own unique number, and this is the positional argument and the height and width argument. So left is the position and top is the position argument, and height and width is the another arguments which we have to give. After giving this inside the brackets, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot select. As we have created it, we are going to select the chart once created. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to use the with statements. Now remember, we are going to use multiple with statement within the with statement, which is called nested with statement. So as our chart is created and selected, it becomes our active chart. So that's why we are going to type with active chart, and then we are going to add the series over here by using this code. So what we are going to do is dot series collection dot new series, which means we are adding the new series, and we are going to give the new series name, which will be equal to cell D3, and then we are going to give the full series collection, that will be our values, and that will be the range which we are going to give. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to do a escape over here. Then we are going to type dot series collection. We are going to add another series over here, which will be of number of days which we have for the days to complete column over here inside our Excel sheet. So for that, we are going to add another series by typing dot series collection dot new series, and then we are going to type dot full series dot collection 2 dot name, and the name will be in the cell E3. Then we are going to type dot full series collection 2, because this is the second new series which we are going to add into our chart. So the values will be sheet 1 E4 to E11. This will be the value, and then we are going to again use dot full series collection 2, and then we are going to type dot x values, which will be the x axis values, and then we are going to type equal to, and in the double inverted comma we are going to give the sheet name and the range. Once we given this, what we are going to do is we are going to select the categorical axis by using dot axis. In the brackets it will be Excel category dot select. After that, we are going to select the plot area. Then we are going to open the, so what we are doing in this line is we are just clicking on the chart and right clicking it and opening the format object. So for that, we are going to type application dot command bars and format object dot visible equals to false. We are going to close this, and then we are going to type access Excel category dot reverse plot order equals to true. So what we are going to do is we are going to reverse our x-axis first, so that, because if you create the Gantt chart, it will give you the Gantt tasks in the descending order, for which we have to convert it into or sort it into the ascending order. So that's why we are writing this code. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the extra space by selecting the dot full series collection 1, and then we are going to select the values as well, and then we are going to type selection dot format dot fill dot visible equals to MSO false, which will hide or remove the excess bar which we don't require. Once we do that, what we are going to do is we are going to select the plot area, the axis value, the x-axis over here, and once selected the x-axis, we are going to assign a minimum scale value. So as we have seen earlier, that we have taken the minimum date from the start date column, so we are going to refer that cell in this code, which is active sheet dot range h2 dot value. You can change this as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot full series collection 1 dot x values, equals to sheet 1 and the range over here. So we are changing the axis over here, adding the full service as well, series as well over here. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to select the wall formatting. So we are going to format the behind wall by typing dot full series collection 1 dot select, and then we are going to make that invisible by doing selection dot format dot fill dot visible equals to ms of false. Once you do that, then what we are going to do, we are going to label the chart and we are going to add the title as well. So how we are going to do is, first we are going to type dot full series collection 2 dot select. Once selected, so what we are doing is we are just selecting the bars shown on the chart, and then we are going to set some elements. They are dot set elements, mso element, data label show. So we are showing the data labels over here. After that, we are going to type dot set element, mso element, data table with legend keys, which means we are going to create the data table inside our chart with the legend keys over here. In the next one, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, mso element chart title above the chart. So we are going to set the chart title above our chart. This is what this line of code will do. After that, we are going to set the element by using dot set element, and in the brackets it will be mso element primary values grid lines none. So we are removing the grid lines from our chart to make it more presentable. Once we did, and this is, as we are using the collection, then this is the default one which will be get created. So for us to remove this, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot full series collection 3 dot is filtered equals to true. Once you type this, you will be unable to see the third collection which has been created by VBA itself. And then what we are going to do is we are going to format the title in this code. So for formatting the title, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart title dot select, and then we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and we are going to give the chart title. I have given Gantt chart in VB Excel. You can change it as per your convenience. After that, in the very next line, we are going to type selection dot format dot text frame 2 dot text range dot characters dot text equals to Gantt chart in VB Excel. So we are just selecting and formatting our title over here. Once done, we are going to align, and we are going to give the direction in this with statement. So this is the nested with statement. We are going to use with selection dot format dot text frame 2 dot text range dot characters 1 to 24, 1 comma 24. So what I'm saying is, with the selection of 1 to 24 characters in the paragraph format by using dot paragraph format dot text direction. So I'm setting the text direction to be equals to MSO text direction left to right. So my title should be appearing from left to right. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my title in the center, the text in the center of my title. So for that, I'm going to type dot paragraph format dot alignment equals to MSO align center. So this will align my text inside the title in the center. After that, I'm going to use another with statement inside it, and I'm going to say with dot font dot bold equals to MSO true end with. So this will bold our entire title, and then I'm going to type end with and end with over here because I'm closing this end with and the parent with statement using end with. After that I'm going to select a single cell to deselect a chart which we have created and ends up. So if you like this video, then please to like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. And for more such videos, please to comment, and if you have any doubts, then please to reach out to our channel BPA Coder. Follow and share our video for more such videos in BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.